Hi friends, I'm Sudha. Today we are here to know about characteristics of case tools. There are mainly 5 types of characteristics of case tools. They are documentation support, project management support, external interface, reverse engineering and data dictionary interface. Firstly, we have discussed about documentation support. These characteristics is the deliverable document should be organized diagrammatically and may be able to incorporate text and diagrams from the central repository. This helps in manufacturing up-to-date documentation and it ought to be able to export text, graphics, tables, knowledge, workbook reports to the DTP package in commonplace forms like PostScript. Characteristics is project management support. The case tool ought to support assembling, storing, and analyzing data on the computer code. Projects progresses like the calculable task, length, regular, and actual task begin, completion date, dates, and results of the reviews, etc. And next, external interface. The case tool ought to permit the exchange of data for the reusability of style. The data that is to be exported by the case tool ought to be ideally in American Standard Code for information interchange, format, and support open design. Similarly, workbook ought to give a programming interfaces to access information it's needed for integration of custom utilities, building new techniques, or populating the info workbook. Reverse engineering. The case tool ought to support the generation of structure charts and knowledge dictionaries from the privileging supply codes. It ought to populate the info workbook from the ASCII text file. If the tool is employed for re-engineering data systems, it ought to contain conversion tools from indexed consecutive file structure, graded and network database to computer database systems. And last characteristics is data dictionary interface. The data wordbook interface ought to give read and update access to the entities and relations hold on it. It ought to have the print facility to get the textual matter of the viewed screens. It ought to give analysis reports like cross-referencing, impact analysis, etc. Ideally, it ought to support a question language to look at its contents.